Dear student, I am Dr. Mohammad Nasir Malik. Today I teach you alkaloid containing drug. There are different types of drugs which contain the alkaloid. First one is Vinca, Rauwolfia and T. So you study three drugs which have active molecule as alkaloids. Okay, this is the disclaimer for this material only for the teaching purpose. In this you study alkaloid, which type of alkaloid, their chemistry and the property of the drug which contain the alkaloid as a biological source. Okay, you student, in this you learn introduction, definition, description, different test of the alkaloid, physical and chemical property of the drug, occurrence of the drug and their uses. The first drug is Vinca. The synonyms is periwinkle or Vinca, or also called as Sadabahar. This is very easily available drug, mostly used in the ornamental purpose in the garden, but they have a potent anti-cancer drug. Biological source, this is a dried whole plant of Catharanthus roseus, also called as Vinca roseus, belonging to the family Apocynaceae. Macroscopy, the color leaves are the green. You see this, the leaves are the green or pale grey. Flower are violet, pink, white or carmine red. You see this is the violet. Okay. Order bitter and characteristic order. Taste is bitter. Shape, leaves are ovate, petiolate, oblong, unicostate, reticulate, acute, apex entire, brittle and glossy in the appearance. Flower are bracteate, pedicellate, complex, hermaphrodite, 2 to 3 centimeters cymose. Okay. Microscopy. Microscopy, upper surface of the single layer rectangular in shape. Epidermis consists of unicellular covering trichomes. Palisade is single layer. 5 to 8 layer spongy parenchyma is present. Midrib consists of collenchyma, xylem. Phloem present in center. Ostomata is of cruciferous. Lower epidermis contain calcium oxalate crystal. Chemical constituent, mostly you see the covering trichomes is here, collenchyma is here, palisade are here, xylems and phloems and this. This is the transfer section of the Vinca leaf. Okay. Chemical constituent mainly contain indole, groups of type of alkaloid, which is vincristine, vinblastine and agmalicine. Doses, vincristine 10 to 30 milligram per body weight, vinblastine 100 microgram according to body weight. Okay. Uses, basically this drug is used in antineoplastic agent. Vinblastine arrests mitosis in metaphase, give intravenously in acute leukemia in children. Vincristine arrests mitosis in metaphase, interfere amino acid metabolism, treat Hodgkin disease. Also used in hypertensive and anti-diabetic action. Mostly these drugs are used in the uh, cancer cases, also in Hodgkin disease. Next drug is Rauwolfia. Rauwolfia, also called as, the synonyms is Sarpgandha, serpentine root, also called as Pagla ka dawa, because these are used in the depression and mental illness. Though biological sources consist of roots and rhizome of Rauwolfia serpentina belonging to family Apocynaceae. It show not less than 0.1% of reserpine as may be seen. Macroscopy, the color is grayish yellow. uh, you see the leaves and the roots, you see the grayish yellow color, and the leaves are green brown. Order is less, taste is bitter, size is 11 to 19 centimeter long, 1 to 5 centimeter diameter. Shape, roots are cylindrical, tapering. Fracture are very short and irregular. Okay. Sarpgandha, an evergreen plant, has been used in the since 4000 years ago in Indian system of medicine, Ayurveda, also in the used in the Unani system of medicine. An erect undershrub, it is a species of the following plant. The leaves are 7 to 10 centimeter long, spear shaped. The flower are 1 inch long, white and violet in color. You see the flower white and violet. It contains nectar at the deep of the corolla tubes. The blooming time is in the month of August and September. The root is branch and tuberous. It is used in the useful herbs of the Ayurveda, Unani and homeopathic system of medicine for the treatment of depression and blood pressure. Okay. Microscopic study, cork is made up of stratified cell followed by phyloderm. Phloem is narrow. Parenchyma contains starch grain, latex cells, stone cell, phloem fiber are absent. Chemical constituent reserpine, racemine, and agmelicine. Chemical constituent they are contained. Chemical test reserpine plus vanillin, sulfuric acid give violet and red color fracture surface with concentrates. Nitric acid give red coloration. So this is the test of the Rauwolfia serpentina due to the presence of reserpine, racemine, and agmelicine. This is the main chief active constituent of this. Uses: it is used for the treatment of high blood pressure, hence called universal medicine for the following blood pressure. It cures insomnia, hysteria, hypertension. It is also useful in the treatment of cataract. It also cures plague and fevers. Sarpgandha is used in the treatment of schizophrenia, which is a mental disorder. It is used in the different types of countries as a sedative and tranquilizer. Mild dose, it is used as a tranquilizer. Okay. Sarpgandha is also in the rheumatism, edema, intestinal disease. It is also used against constipation and dizziness. So it is a very beneficial drug, an ancient drug which are used nowadays also. Next drug is tea. The synonyms is Camellia thea or Camellia sinensis or Thea sinensis. The common name is tea. We use daily in our drink as a tea is a source of mood and mood elevator. So biological sources consist of prepared leaves of Thea sinensis belonging to family Theaceae. Macroscopy, the color of the leaves are dark green, lanceolate, elliptical, blunt apex, margin are tapering. Odor is characteristic, taste is bitter. Chemical constituent, it contains caffeine, theophylline, theobromine, oxidase enzyme, thiase and tannins, volatile oils, trace amount of volatile oils. So you see this is the green tea, the greeny tea, and they are the shrub. In shrub the tree is picked. Active ingredient and the content of the tea. Teas also contain abundant of flavonoids, phenols, carboxylic acid, mineral acid, high amount of fluoride 1 to 30 to 160 milligram per kg, vitamins and a small amount of terpenes, Trefolia saponins. The xanthic bases, especially caffeine, have a stimulant effect on nervous system and cardiorespiratory system. Theophylline and caffeine to a lesser extent have a positive inotropic action and increase in the frequency and coronary cardiac output. The theobromine and theophylline induce a smooth muscle relaxation, especially at the bronchial, urethral and biliary tract. They stimulate muscle contraction and are diuretic. Flavonoids are and proanthocyanidins present in the tea are responsible for the vitamin P action, venotonic and vasopressoric action. Tannins are astringent actions. Collection and preparation. The tea plant is a small green shrub wherein younger leaves are picked and allowed to undergo fermentation. The process impart in a dark brown or black color and a typical color of tea powder for the preparation of green tea. Fresh leaves are dried and roasted in copper pans and finally powdered. So green tea has a very beneficial effect, as well as black tea also used in the treatment of medicinal purpose. They are used as a stimulant, diuretic, source of caffeine. But nowadays green tea is a very effective, and green tea contain very less or no caffeine. So they are used in the diuretic, fat burner and weight loss. Also it is used for the treatment of diuretic. Okay, so these are the references of this topic. Also use internet material. We use research paper for this lecture to prepare you, and you see it. If you have any queries, any question, you can ask me very freely. Okay, thank you, students. Thank you, dear students.